What's up, y'all? It's 2026. This is my first video of 2026, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all right now, if you are not starting your YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? You're waiting for the right time. You're waiting for your money to be right. You're waiting for the right lighting, the right phone, the right tripod. No, everybody has a phone. All you need is a phone. Flip and cut that camera on, girl, and start recording the content. You can batch your content. You can do your daily, do content daily. Just pick up your phone and show your camera each and every day. It's not hard. It's not hard. If y'all don't know now, social media is the new money-making tool. Social media is the new money-making tool. You don't have to really go out here and work a 9 to 5. You don't really have to go out here and do a side gig or do DoorDash or whatever. All you gotta do is just pick up your phone and record. Record them children beating up each other. Record them children arguing. Record it. I wouldn't. I'm not gonna, but I don't recommend it. But what I'm just saying, playfully, positively, show them kids. Show them kids. They always entertain and they love to entertain. Them pit folks will get on here and watch your kids, okay? So I'm just saying, people will get on here and watch for anything. They'll watch you cook, they'll watch you clean, whatever it is. All you got, content is everything. I'm not a aesthetic content creator person. You're not gonna see all the gadgets pop up and all this like aesthetic every 10-second editing and popping here and popping there. You got to do what's best for you, okay? What's best for me is not doing all that editing. As an entrepreneur, a full-time entrepreneur, I don't have the time. But guess what? I still show up. I still show up for my business and my content creator business. I still show up for me, okay? Regardless of who's watching, regardless of what people don't like. You got to know that you're not for everybody. You got to, regardless if whoever got something to say, you still got to show up for you, okay? People are going to talk all day about you. People are going to say anything. Oh, they don't like this content. They don't like how you said this. They don't like how you said that. That's the part of social media. That is the part of being a business owner too. You can't be for everybody. If I was a food truck person and somebody don't like my food, guess what? That's fine. You have to be able to learn how to take constructive criticism, okay? And that's why some of y'all are probably being pushed back, because you don't want the negative stuff. You don't want your family to find out that you do this and you do that, because once you start vlogging and talking, it becomes like your personal journal, because you're not talking to actual person, you're talking to the camera. So it's like your personal journal, and people get on here and tell their life business, their stories, whatever the case might be. And a lot of times that holds you back, because you don't know what your job might say, you don't know what your family might say, you don't know if your kids gonna find this content eventually and find out your business or whatever the case might be. But who cares? Nobody in the world is perfect. Get on here, show up, speak your story, tell your story, and your story may go viral. It may be that one person that want to bless you. That's why I keep showing. That's my motivation, to keep showing up daily, because it's gonna be that one person that it's gonna be that one view that want to bless me. I believe it. I believe it. I don't care how many people show up on my channel and watch my views. I know my statistics. I know my dashboard. I know what my views say. I know what my I know how my channel is progressing too. So that's why I care. That's why I care, and that's what motivates me to continue to show up, because I see how I am progressing as an entrepreneur and as a content creator. Once you pay attention to your business to see that you are progressing, that's going to be your motivation. Not what people say, not what people think, not that people don't care and don't like that you said this or put this out there or whatever the case might. You're going to have haters any and everywhere that you go, okay? So you got to find something for them to hate about. Just keep moving. Just keep going. But this is how you start your business in 2026. Sis, come here. Let me tell you something. Get on that camera. Cut that camera on and push record. That's how you start it. Don't wait for the perfect lighting. Don't wait for the perfect tripod. Put that camera on top of the microwave. Put that camera on top of the sink. Put that camera on top of the fireplace. Whatever it is that you got to do to get started, cut that camera on and start showing your face. Showing up. Start showing up for yourself in 2026. That's what I want you to do. Start showing up for yourself in 2026, because nobody's going to give you anything. It's not going to be handed to you. It's not going to fall in your lap. You got to show up for you, especially when you want better. You got to do better, okay? So if you are an entrepreneur and you wanted to start, if you are an upcoming entrepreneur and you wanted to start a business in 2026, buy your product. Buy your product. That's what I'm going to say. If you want to be a product if you want to be a product salesman, saleswoman, man or woman who's watching this channel, buy that product. Because once you buy that product, that's going to motivate you to, okay, I got to get this stuff out. I got to push this stuff. Don't stop trying to be all aesthetically cute and get the flyers and get the business cards and, you know, you want to get the right packaging and all that stuff. That's what's going to burn you out. Some of y'all are sitting here trying to be the perfect business owner or whatever. You will gradually grow to that. Just start. You have to start somewhere. Stop thinking so much. I can't stand when somebody thinks so much. Oh, I gotta pick this color out, and I gotta get my business cards and get my flyer to get my business up and going. I gotta get this deal. I gotta get this deal with this person to see if they'll do my labels, or they'll do my printouts, and if you want to do shirts and everything. Stop thinking too much. It blows my mind, because you don't even know if your business is going to take off. You don't even know if your business is going to take off or not. And you sitting here worried about this product. I mean, not product, but you worry about this person partnering with you, or you're trying to get the right logo, or you're trying to get. I love the passion, but it just seems like you're in it for the aesthetic purposes and not to actually push your product to make the money. You're trying to be aesthetically cute. Like I said, I'm not that aesthetically cute person. I'm not going to get on here and tell you, oh, go to Canva and print out the cutest logo, or go to these different sites and do the flyers and do the business cards, and oh, Staples got this deal to do that. I'm not going to get on here and tell you that, because as you can see, I'm not that type of person. I'm not that type of business coach. I'm that type of business coach. Get your stuff out there. Pull that camera up and show your face. Buy that product and go out there and sell it, whether it's in your hand. I'm a real hustler out here. I got it in a box. That's how I started off with my lip gloss. I got it in the box. I got $5 lip glosses. Y'all want some? Long lasting. You can eat, drink, and that's still gonna be shiny. One day I'm gonna show y'all, because I'm a true person behind my products. Okay, so I'm that kind of hustler. I'm not that aesthetically cute. Eventually, I got the little drawstring pouch, and I put the lip gloss in it with some candy and a business card. Eventually, but first, I gotta see if this gonna work. I gotta see, am I willing to sell what I got? Because some of y'all don't have good salesmanship. If that's a word. Some of y'all don't have good salesmanship. Y'all don't know how to speak. Y'all are shy, and then your product ain't selling. But then you done went out and bought the logo y'all didn't trademark your name and spending money on stuff. You ain't even brought no money into your business. That's the problem. Y'all got to bring the money into your business and then work on that, because you didn't spend so much money pushing out your stuff or getting prepared for your stuff. Your business ain't even make no money. Then you burned out and wondering why. Yeah, and that's the thing too. Some of y'all start these businesses with credit cards. What sense does that make? Y'all start these businesses with credit cards, knowing that you got to pay it back, sis. You got to pay it back. Your business ain't gonna make no money. Listen to me. If you ain't got the money, don't start the business. Don't you go out here and buy these products on Klarna or Affirm, or get these credit cards. You need to stay working your 9 to 5, and then get that money from your 9 to 5 should be a supplement for your entrepreneurship, at least to get on your feet until you are a full-time entrepreneur. Make enough money until you are a full-time entrepreneur. That's the goal. Okay, that's what I did. I was working my 9 to 5. I supplemented that income to start my business, and then within 3 months, I went as a full-time entrepreneur. But I love and appreciate y'all. Hopefully that this video made sense. I hope you start your business in this new year. Start it right now. Don't give up. Just keep showing up for yourself daily, okay? So I love and appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all on my next video, okay? Thank y'all for watching.